Get it out. Nice. Let's go. You already know we at Wheatway Park getting it in. Get it.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Come on, let's go. Let's keep going. Come on, keep recording. Let's go,
Dale.
Chet.
Look at my man right here with a cast, and he's still getting it in.
They're getting it in. Come on, Chet. There you go.
Let's go.
There you go. Come on. Come on, move that shit. Come on,
Back
push
it up.
that shit. Let's go, Chet. Come on. Let's go. That shit ain't gonna stop you. That shit ain't gonna stop you. Let's go. Come on. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm talking about. See that nigga leg?
Look at his
Look
leg.
at that. You see that? You see that? You know what I'm saying? No more excuses, man. No more excuses, man. If this man could come out here with a cast on his leg, come on, man. You sitting on the couch, making excuses, getting fat. Get your fat ass off that couch, man. I said it, what? Come out here, Wheatway Park, you feel me? Remember boy Cuba.
Beside me, gente.
You know what I'm saying? Man, listen up, man.
We
Don't make me
getting it
come. Yo, we getting it in, man. You suckers. Sleep for suckers, man. No days off, every day.